going to teach you how to trade your gift card on cardsale app. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification, like this video and also share it for more people to see. And if you have any question, write it in the comment section. Go to your Play Store or Apple Store and download this application called Cardsale. After you download it, guys, let us open it and see how it's going to look like. You can see Cardsale. After you open it, it's going to look like this. You can see login, you can see sign up. Click on sign up. You can see right now, and the next thing you are going to do is to put your Gmail here. Make sure it is functional Gmail. After that, you can see verification code. Leave that verification code first. Do you understand right now? And jump to where it says invitation code. Do you understand? Guys, put this invitation code to register. Although the invitation code is optional, you can decide to use it or not to use it. But if you use it, you are going to get a welcome bonus of 3,200 naira, and also they are going to reward me. But if you skip it, you are not going to get any bonus, and they are not going to reward me as well. So I will say, please use it. Both of us can get a reward. Do you understand? So after you put this invitation code, write your name here. Do you understand? Your full name, and write your password. Make sure your password starts with capital letter. Let me give you the example how you are going to write your password. You understand right now? Make sure your password starts with capital letter. Let's say Godwin, for example. Add number at the back and any symbol like this. So let me show you. Make sure you do it like this and repeat it here. So after you repeat it here, mark this one, mark this side. After you mark it, go back to where it says verification code. You can see at the front, you can see send. Tap on that send, and immediately you tap on that send, they are going to send code to your Gmail. Take that code and put it here. Before it expires, click on create account and your account will be registered successfully. Do you understand right now? So I'm going to log into my home personal account right now, and I'll show you how to trade your gift card on cardsale app and how to withdraw your money to your bank account, guys. Now let me log in and we continue, guys. Let me log in. I have logged in right now, and this is my account. Now to trade your gift card, this is what you are going to do. You can see down here, you can see sell. You can see up here, you can see sell. Click anyone, click on it, click on sell, and it's going to show you this interface. Do you understand right now? So you can see where it says Apple iTunes. Click on it to select the type of gift card you want to trade. Do you understand? Scroll down until you find the one you want to trade. Do you understand? Now let's say I want to trade Apple. I'm going to leave it on this Apple, and it says choose category. I'm going to click on choose category. US card, UK card. Choose the country of your gift card and choose if it is physical card or e-code. Physical card is a gift card that someone purchased at a physical store, and e-code is a gift card that someone purchased online on a website. So they are just going to send the code of that gift card to that person's Gmail. That is e-code. Do you understand right now? So don't mix it together. After you have done that, click on OK. Do you understand? And after that, write the amount of your gift card. Let's say my gift card is $500. I'm going to write it here. Do you understand? If it is $200, write it there. Do you understand? And it's going to show the amount you are going to get in naira, 529,000 naira. That is what we are going to get for $500 Apple US card. Do you understand right now? The next thing is, you can see coupon. You understand right now? So if you have coupon is like a bonus that they used to give to person. You can choose it and you might not. The next thing you can see, upload your image. Now you click on upload your image and select the image of your gift card, then upload it. After you upload it, click on proceed, and your gift card will be sold successfully. Do you understand? It will be traded successfully. After you have done that, you go back to your dashboard and your money will be available on your balance like this. It will be available like this. Do you understand? Now to withdraw your money to your bank account, you need to add your bank account to this app first. And this is what you are going to do. You go to wallet. Let's go to wallet. Do you understand right now? And you can see add bank card. You can see my OPay is here. Click on add bank card. Select the bank you are using. Write the name on your bank account and write your account number. Then click on submit and it will be added successfully like this. You can see. Then come back here and click on withdraw. And after you click on withdraw, write the amount you want to withdraw out of your money. or if you want to withdraw everything, you are the owner of your money. After that, you will see down here, you can see swipe to withdraw. You place your finger on this color side and move it to the right down. Immediately you move it to the right down, it will say success and your money will deliver to your bank account sharp. So make sure you like this video, share it for more people to see, and if you have any question, write it in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. One love, guys.